Hi guys.
Alright, good afternoon everybody. How are you guys doing?
Great.
Man, you guys don't sound like shit. Jai Bangalore, आप सबका हमारे दरबार में स्वागत है. So thank you for coming here. And of course we have Gold Boy, who's the multi-talented musician. He's composed, sung and created the music behind the mesmerizing track of मैं प्यार में हूँ, which deserves a huge round. Yes, I've done all the talking. Welcome once again to Mikhabai College. Welcome to Kshitij. It feels so happy.
I have been here a couple of years ago also. I was judging a dance competition, I guess, a few years ago. It's always been lovely. But the fact that I'm here with my husband, and it's the first festival I've ever been to with my husband, this becomes even. And we're here to promote our song, which is मैं प्यार में हूँ. आपने सुना होगा right at the beginning, right? कितनों ने उससे पहले already गाना सुना था? यहाँ पर आने से पहले. Oh wow! और आप झूठ नहीं बोल रहे ना? कॉलेज में झूठ बोलना नहीं सिखाया जाता ना? Okay, बटर करना तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं सिखाया जाता ना? Good, very good. Thank you for the honesty. So we're here to promote that, and we were doing our radio rounds and everything before this without Gold Boy, and we were so happy that he's joining us here today. Because I think a song, it belongs to the singer, no matter who features in it. And as artists, we always forget कि हमको लगता है हमारा गाना हो जा रहा है and all of that. But we always remind ourselves, especially Zaid and I, that this is Gold Boy's song, and we're just here to feature it and promote it and do our best. So बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप हमें join कर चुके हैं आज. So आपको first of all बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद that you've done such a fab job at singing this song. And we love the song, and we are honored to be in the video. So thank you so much. Now Zaid, what would you like to say?
I think you will.
Just पहले आप बोलो, then you can like take over and make
You
it
wanna
his
take
own.
that? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So first of all, hello everybody. And as soon as I entered, I told God, Lord, look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this, my college days. So I think you've not been to college, right?
What do you mean?
मेरी तरफ से सबको नमस्ते और मैं तो गाना गाना चाहूँगा ज़्यादा.
Is his mic on?
I think it's yeah.
कौन है?
On it. It's just
तू मिले या ना मिले तेरा एहसास है काफी जो देख के भी ना देखे तू बस यही है इंसाफी तेरी जुल्फ के साए में एक उम्र गुजर जाए तेरी तस्वीर दिल के शीशे पे उतर जाए. ये गाना मैं किसी और के लिए बनाया था, तो पता नहीं ये कैसे मेरी झोली में आ गया। तो मुझे था ये सिंपल सॉन्ग है और
अगर रेडियो पे बज रहा होता ना, I'm sure everyone would have gotten hooked onto it because
They
it's got
have.
so much expression. It's got that feel of, you know, जब सोनू निगम ने गाया था दीवाना,
Yeah.
वो उसमें जो एक expression था, the same thing is here, the expression of love.
I think it generally comes. All of us, the ones who are laughing as well, I think they can hear the fact that they think.
Yeah. वो भी बोल देगी मैं प्यार में हूँ, बस यही होने वाला है.
But I think जो भी है, अब जाओ और admit करो, whatever it is. You know, see the song, take some inspiration from it, and go and admit.
Don't put chini in anyone's bike.
Great.
No, I have always been like this. I think it's my mom. Because my mom was, single-handedly bringing us 5 kids up. Not that because my dad wasn't there, my dad was away working in another country.
Okay.
So he would visit us only once a year. And my mom, she came from a very humble background from somewhere in town in Mumbai. She was educated in Urdu medium. She, had very basic things in life. But she knew that she had these 5 kids and they were her treasure, her weapon, her everything. So this confidence that I get is because of the way my mom has brought me up. I was never scared to speak the truth. Even in school, I was the discipline minister in school.
Wow.
I always wanted people to be like, ठीक से बात करो, कम बात करो, silence रखो, all of that. It irritates a lot of people also, I'm sure. But everybody wanted to follow me in school. Dance कर रही हो तो दीदी please can I be a part of your troupe this time and didi please. So I liked taking people, and guiding them and being a certain way. And I was never fearful of speaking the truth.
Right.
And I think everybody who asks me why are you always speaking your mind, it's just about choice, right? I mean, it's like when we got married, we never really put out too many pictures or things that happened within the wedding.
Right.
If it was for the media, we came out, we received.
Interesting.
Backstage, Gold Boy ने Zaid से पूछा कि क्या पूछा था?
आप कैसे मिले?
चलिए तो अभी हम सब के लिए एक बार बता दीजिए.
कैसे मिले? चलो बता देते हो वापस से.
एक सेकंड.
डिटेल में बताऊंगी.
नहीं डिटेल में नहीं. I always have to take a no.
Stop me. Okay, not detail.
No, actually he will tell you the story, but I have to tell you that it's very close to मैं प्यार में हूँ, because मैं प्यार में हूँ में भी वो लड़की को देखता है.
Someone that illuminates your life, someone who's your guiding light.
गोलबा, आपकी जिंदगी में सितारा कौन है?
मेरी मॉम.
Mama's boy, Mama's eye.
मुझे लगता है बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती. बस वही है सब कुछ.
So sweet.
What a twist.
Nice one.
Okay, ready?
No, not really. Not everyone. Just frame it once. Oh God, the first word is only.
कोई नहीं, go to the next
Hey, one
one.
second. No, good. It's good.
You can't give hints.
No, 1 second. Can I see it on there?
कहीं भैंस पानी में.
Okay.
Come on, Charlie, you can do it. Okay, Hindi. 1 word. First word. 4 words. Hindi. First word.
But we want to give it. The audience wants to give it to you. But
No, but no. Let's do a tie. Come on. Let's have them on stage also.
Okay, come.
Yeah. चले?
मेरा मोबाइल दे दे.
guys that we wanted to give you from our side.
Beautiful, I love
They
it.
had read this down early in the morning because they knew that you guys are coming.
It's
so
amazing.
I hope you guys like this.
We love
Can we
it.
have a huge round of applause for that, please? Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And can I
much.
request you to please come once again on the stage.
Okay.
We're going to be framing this and putting it up in the Shittage office where you're seeing it.
उसको थोड़ा शेक कर देना. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैं वापस सेकंड
अच्छा,
लाइन में
okay.
आऊंगी.
आप और मैं गाएंगे, okay? We are at Mejivai College, right?
Yes.
Shittage 21.
Yes.
वो एंड में बोलता हूँ. 1, 2, 3. मैं बस प्यार में हूँ. मैं तेरे प्यार में हूँ.
Yes. It's a film called Sorry Bhai Sahab. It's for Amazon Mini TV. Shahid Khan.
खोलो ना.
अच्छा अच्छा आप उनको ले जाओगे ना? बोला मुझे लगा वो आ रहे हैं बात कराओ. Bye bye. Thanks a lot. Thanks guys. Bye bye bye.
हेलो.
Thank you.